It's KJ Beauty here and welcome back to my channel. Happy to see you and welcome to all the new subscribers. So to start this tutorial, I'm gonna start with pre-stretch hair. I can't even talk, like what? Anyways guys, because this crochet hairstyle, I wanted it to look as natural braids as possible. Does that even make sense? I can't talk. Anyways guys, method a bit different for my parting because it is crochet braids. I don't really like the bulk that comes, especially when I do the cornrow, so I am gonna try and do this a little bit different because I kind of want it to look a bit like regular box braids or regular braids, as if I braided it myself for the parting. So later on you guys will see the finished look and how it actually turns out, but what I'm doing is just doing mini I'm just parting mini squares and then just braiding the roots, just simple, that's all. And I'm gonna do that on both sides of my hair where my parting's gonna be, and you guys will see how it turns out. So I am using the edge wax to just kind of help braid and make it and help my hair looks a little bit neater. As you guys, if you guys did watch my previous video, which you guys should, it's such a cute hairstyle. It's also a crochet style. You guys should check that out if you haven't. But I did use it, but edge wax is not like, it doesn't hold at all, so I'm just using it for the sake of using it. But yeah, it doesn't do anything at all. It just melts in my hair. Anyways, for my leave out, what I do whenever I'm doing the cornrow, I try to make it as small as possible, so we don't want a bulky cornrow, because then your parting will look bulky or your hair will look bulky. So what I usually do is part out a really thin piece of hair and then just braid. So what I'm doing right now is I'm just braiding the cornrow, connecting the braids, the mini braids, to the cornrow going back. I hope this is clear enough for you guys that just paying attention. But yes, so that's all I'm doing. And once I do the other side, I'm gonna go ahead and connect them together. And just braid that going all the way down. And of course, like I said, I'm gonna make sure that it is not bulky, so I part out the thinnest amount of hair and just braid it going back. I'll have about 7 to 8 cornrows, and yeah, so that is enough. So once I finish braid everything, I'm just gonna go in with, I'm gonna go ahead with some virgin coconut oil, some organic coconut oil or virgin coconut oil, however you want to call it, and I'm just gonna apply that to my scalp and moisturize my scalp. And then I'm gonna go ahead and, oh yes girl, yes, feeling yourself. Anyways, I'm gonna go in with the LULUSTRESS, yeah, I'm gonna go in with the LULUSTRESS 3D Passion Twist. Yes, you guys, 3D Passion Twist. There's all type of things out there, but I just wanted to try it out just because I wanted to. And yeah, so this one is the 18 inches, the 3D Passion Twist, and the color 1B. And I like how the ends kind of, you know, looked curled. And so yeah, I'm excited to try this because I've never tried that type of passion twist before. So this one already come with pre-looped with a pre-looped hole for you to use. It can get a little tight, but I kind of figured a way to do it, but there's another way that I do it instead of putting my fingers through, but again, that is like the easiest way for people, so that's what I'm showing you. But towards the end, when I'm doing the parting, you guys will see how I do it differently, and it makes it easier because the loop that they provide, or the loop that they make, is really small. It makes it difficult for me to stick my 2 little fingers in there. So yeah, so I'm just gonna go ahead and kind of space out the hair, and I try not to make them, I try not to apply them close to each other, so at least 2 fingers apart, because then you don't want your hair to be too full, and it won't look as natural, and it'll be, you know, unless you want really full hair. But then, you know, normal box braids or passion twist isn't bulky, so yeah. Here we go. I am doing the parting right now, the invisible parting, basically. I can call it that, right? So as you guys can see, that's what I was talking about, the other method that I use, and it make it faster. I am sticking the needle all the way through the loop, and then I stick the end of the hair on the latch, and boom, I pull that through, and girl, here we go. Like, I don't have to struggle trying to fit 2 of my fingers in there. Like, nah, this was so much easier. I really like how it looks, but it's just that I don't like the neatness of the braids. I wish that it was more, how can I say that, more, I wish it was more less neat, because again, passion twist is not neat. It's more like a boho, like a more like a boho type of look. but that one was too neat and it was getting on my nerves because of the neatness. But I kind of work with it. It's really cute. It's such a cute hair. I love the ends. I am like in love with the ends. I think that's what I like most about the hair. But here it is, pretty cool, pretty cute. The parting is definitely key because it looks like it's box braids. Honestly, no one will know that it's crochet unless you actually know the hair is crochet. But yeah, here it is. That's how the parting looks like, and hopefully this was helpful to any of you guys out there. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. If you're new to my channel, you're watching this, go ahead and subscribe. Please subscribe. Anyways, I will see y'all on my next video. Bye.